Have you heard of the Geneva Conventions? They're among the most well-known of international treaties and form part of what's called the rules of war. But what happens once the war is over? There are no easy answers. Societies are shattered, public trust is low, and often human rights atrocities like genocide, sexual violence, and ethnic cleansing have occurred. But researchers have found that one of the most effective ways forward for rebuilding post-war societies is by using transitional justice. So what is transitional justice? It's not just a special form of justice. Rather, it's an approach with several strategies that societies can pursue for peace and justice. There are many judicial and non-judicial approaches to transitional justice, including criminal prosecutions, truth-telling commissions, reparations for victims, gender justice, institutional reform, and memorialization projects. Broadly speaking, the objectives are to help victims access the justice they deserve and to create or enhance opportunities for social, legal, and political transformation. But dealing with widespread human rights abuses raises practical issues for post-war societies. Going through the process of transitional justice might highlight difficult problems that a fragile political system is unwilling to address. That's why practitioners of transitional justice recommend taking a holistic approach that's customized to the society using these strategies. Many problems that flow from past abuses are often too complex to be solved by one action alone. For example, using the courts to punish perpetrators will not repair a damaged social fabric. Reparations for victims without truth-telling could be seen as hush money. More pointedly, how do you reintegrate ex-soldiers who committed mass atrocities into the community? Transitional justice isn't a purely academic area either. It also has a basis in law. Following the 1988 decision of the Inter-American Court of Human Rights, it found that all nation-states have 4 fundamental human rights obligations to their citizens. One of the advantages of transitional justice is that it is not a fixed formula. It can innovate and shift based on the needs of the victims in these societies. That's often easier said than done. So what happens once the war is over? It'll depend, but transitional justice provides a roadmap for helping each society determine the best path towards peace and justice. Without it, societies risk repeating history. Want to learn more? Check out these resources.